Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our detailed breakdown of a brand new jacket for fall 2011. This is the Dainese Air Frame high-vis. Now, it is the same jacket as we've seen previously in different colorways from Dainese, but this is the new high-vis version, keeping in step with the trends from a protection and style standpoint. I love that Dainese stepped up and done a high-vis version that's going to really appeal to the fashion-forward or safety-conscious rider. Now, if we take a peek at it, it's everything you know and love from Dainese, and it's everything you remember about this jacket. We're going to have a textile chassis with a lot of mesh, some Boomerang mesh, so it's going to breathe and flow a ton of air. I give this a 2-season rating. I'm going to call it full-on summer hot weather riding, but there is a removable windproof liner or wind-resistant liner that you can zip in, and that's going to give you a little bit more coverage into later spring, maybe early fall. As soon as the temperature changes on this guy, unless you're wearing really beefy base layers, this will get chilly because remember, it's optimized for the hottest times of the year. Looking at some of the other features and size, Patrick's 5'9", 170, 40-inch chest. He's wearing a 50. He's rock solid in the 50. He always wears 50 in Dainese. Looking at the cuff, or the collar rather, we have a rolled collar with a leather accent in the back with comfort. As we come down, you're going to notice it's YKK zippers throughout, embossed leather Dainese stitched on the front on top of this Boomerang mesh panel, which is used just really from a style standpoint, but again, his mesh will flow air. Removable CE Dainese proprietary armor in the shoulders as well as the elbows and forearms. As we move down, you're going to see some textile start to appear in more impact-prone areas, especially on the outside of the sleeve, which is an elbow, which is a high-impact area, as well as the shoulder. Notice we have 2 slight hand warmer pockets down here on the outsides as well. Turn and face that way for me, Patrick. Back to the sleeve. Microflection here on the bicep for reflectivity at night. Notice the style of it. It's woven versus just being a big piece of tape. I think it's a nice upgrade. They use it on a lot of their stuff. It just has a really great look to it. And then the cuffs are going to be a snap with a double adjuster down here as well. Notice we do have the bicep snapped here as well, so that we're going to do a better job at keeping any extra material at bay. Turn backwards for me, Patrick. Other thing I want to talk about, the back. Again, full mesh, S1 stretch panels that are going to breathe, but really if you hit a light race position without bending over, Patrick, go ahead and do that for me. You're going to see that stretch around the shoulder blades, allow this jacket to move with you versus pulling. Notice too the way the back is done. We have Boomerang mesh that has big Dainese demon eyes that are cut out of your standard mesh, so it's all going to flow air, but again, it's one of those things that you see from Dainese, which is really well thought out Italian style. Also, if we look at the top here, we have an embossed demon logo in leather over top of a reflective insert. Again, safety is not something that they're not thinking about with this jacket as well, and you can see the profile of the high-vis on the back, and then as we move down, you're going to see these triple adjustable snaps that go into a quilted or a reinforced seat. Turn back around for me, Patrick. I'm going to bust this guy open from the front, double snap here at the cuff, unzip this guy, show you, here's with the liner in, and then very quickly, takes 2 seconds, here we go, there's my liner, there's my wind-resistant liner, and then I'm going to have a basic mesh panel. And notice that we do have a full 360-degree zip, so you'll be able to link these guys up with a Drake or another lightweight pants for summertime riding. So again, Patrick's wearing a 50, I'm about a 52, 54. If you have any questions about the airframe, high-vis textile, or any other mesh jackets from Dainese, remember the airframe's basic. From there you go to the shotgun, and the most protective mesh jacket or lightweight summer jacket is going to be something like the Portland 2. Shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. As always, it's over $39. We're going to ship it for free. Send it back if you get the wrong size. We'll exchange it for free. If you just don't like it, send it back in brand new condition with all the tags and all the plastic. We'll give you 100% back to your card. No restock fees at RevZilla. And this guy's going to be around that $250 price point-ish, somewhere in that range. You're going to earn TeamZilla cash to be applied to your next order as our way of helping you save money by continuing to shop with us at RevZilla.com. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown of the Dainese Airframe high-vis textile jacket and mesh, available at RevZilla.com/Dainese. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.